All right, so now we're going to talk about the portfolio, and I'm going to shrink this down so we can kind of see how it all looks together. Now, the portfolio is your four investments added together. It's a summary, and so your parents' portfolio would be any retirement or any college, just everything to put together. It's a grand total of all of your investments. And in this box right here, you can see again the formula down here at the bottom. What we have done on the very first day, how much did we spend all together? So it's really pretty simple. We added together how much was spent on the mutual fund, how much was spent on stock 3, stock 2, and stock 1 for our grand total amount of money spent. And if you look here at this number, 93,979, if I go, since I've done this correctly, when I go here to change, let's say I change how many shares I bought to 100 shares. It changes everything automatically. Now remember, this number right here needs to be at least 90,000, but not more than 200, or I'm sorry, not more than 100,000. So between 90,000 and $100,000. Now I've got the same thing going on here right on this box down here. This is adding together how much was what the value today is for the mutual fund plus all three stocks. So it's a summary of all four investments on a daily basis. The profit or loss is pretty simple. All you're going to do is subtract the value today for your portfolio minus how much it was the very first day. Now notice I got that dollar sign in there, so you need to preserve that so that it always subtracts minus how much you spent the very first day. The percent change thus far is similar, but it's even simpler here because we don't own multiple shares. So we just take the profit loss divided by how much we spent the very first day to give us our percent change. And again, you can't just copy my letters and numbers probably because all of your spreadsheets are going to be positioned in different locations. So it's important that you understand it instead of just memorizing and copying. And then once you get these formulas right, we're going to be able to copy those down just like we did all of the other formulas and such. So you're going to click on that box right there. You're going to get a black menu bar. You're going to click on fill, and then you're going to go to the bottom of that yellow box that pops up, and you're going to drag it down, and that'll drag that formula down. If you've entered all of your information correctly, it should give you all the correct numbers. And again, always look for formatting. Always check your numbers to make sure that they make sense.